What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. We've got Tori for the beginning of today's video, and she's driven the STI. Now she's going to be driving the SI. For those of you that have been following the channel for a little bit, you know that this is more of my stance car. It's bagged on TEs, mainly just aesthetic stuff, and I just want Tori to go ahead and take it for a spin around this parking lot. We used to go to middle school here, actually. Yeah, Tori's going to take it for a spin. Or are you going to do it by yourself or with me in the car?
No, with you. Actually, I'll do it myself.
Oh, wait, you need the keys. Shout out Dustin Williams. You ready? The only thing that you're not going to like is the short shifter, because that's hard. But this should be easier than the STI. The clutch should be lighter, steering wheel, just the shifter's going to be a little stiff. Try it out.
What? Last time I drove this car, I got pulled over.
Yeah, Tori actually got pulled over in this car one time. So, quick little story time. Tori was learning how to drive stick shift in this car, and she was doing really well. And we were at a car meet. It was like maybe 11 o'clock, and since there was no traffic or stuff like that, I was like, you should try driving at home. And then Tori made an illegal U-turn, got a ticket, and had to go to an 8-hour driving class. So. Yeah. The end. Anyways, alright. Good luck. She knows what to do. Getting close to stalling it. Look at that, doesn't even need me in the car anymore. Now I gotta run and catch her over here. I should just have Tori drive home. What? What's up?
What do I do when I'm
Does this feel easier or harder than the Subaru? It's easier, right?
Yeah.
That's funny. Hey, let's go. We got Tori driving the Subi and now the Civic too. Damn, relax. vtec. Damn, you trying to hit vtec in the parking lot? You freaking savage. How do you like it?
I like it.
Hey, let me ride with you and do a lap. Well, unlock the car.
Oh.
Alright. Alright, go ahead. Let's see you do it. Nice. Give it some gas in a second.
The second?
Second gear.
Oh, God, was that not right?
Not bad. You should try going in a third gear. It's not that hard. You should try. So like drive, go into second, come around, and then once you get to this little straightaway, try going into third gear. You know where that is, right? Just straight up right there. Yeah, perfect. You just don't like this, don't you?
Mm-mm.
Tori doesn't like the short shifter. It's too stiff. What if I drop my camera right now? Oh God, I'm scared. Go into second.
Wait, I'm gonna turn.
Alright. Once you get to the straightaway, give it more gas and go into third gear. You're getting the hang of it.
Oh god.
Right here, give it more gas and go into third.
Scared. Like now?
Yeah.
Oh, please be
There
right.
you go.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. Just go over there to the stop and just call it a day. Oh yeah, look at that, Tori. She's banging gears in the Civic now. Alright, now get out.
Oh.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, well, that was fun, letting Tori drive the car. We are on our way to a car meet now, so we're going to see how the turnout is. Hopefully it's pretty good. I'm so happy to see car meets out again, man. I'm so happy to be able to take the cars out, meet up with friends, and see all the other cars around and stuff like that. It's probably one of my favorite things to do. So I met some of you guys out this morning at Cars and Coffee in Dulles Landing, so that was nice. We're gonna go see how this car meet is in Gainesville, and yeah, just see what's up. I'll see you guys when we're there. Alright, you guys, well, the car meet was a complete fail. I didn't really record anything because there wasn't really anything to record. I really need to start bringing my camera to Cars and Coffee in the mornings because those are always good turnouts. Car meets around here at night, they're alright, but nothing really interesting. Anyways, if you guys stuck around to the end of the video, thank you guys always so much for watching. We're like 500 subs away from 6,000, so if you're watching for the first time and you're not subscribed just yet, please consider subscribing down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and see you guys later.